Hey everyone, this is a video to show you what you can make with the Christmas card kit. I have here some cards that are without LEDs, so these are small format cards. You will get some thinner strips of cardboard in the kit. As you can see, I've put on some of these kind of foil confetti, and the kit comes with some ribbons as well. So this is an example of a different format, upright and vertical format, and it uses some of the other confetti that comes with the kit. So there's some white snowflakes and some silver Christmas trees. These are examples of different designs that I've done with the LEDs. So the kit comes with 3 white LEDs and 1 green and 1 red. These examples that I've done were with white only. As you can see here, this is an LED stuck on to this conductive tape, copper tape, and this is where the battery goes. So you could cut out letters from a magazine, actual letters. For example, I have here some pictures that I'd like to use as decals, and I could also have used letters from the magazine or chosen a color. I mean, this looks very beautifully golden in color. I could just cut out like Merry Christmas in letters and stick it on. And I mean, any abstract picture can be turned into an interesting sort of look. So for this one, I have the idea of writing Merry Christmas, you know, curved. And since we'll be doing it with handwriting, you can do whatever you want. And sort of making a bit of a modern look Christmas card with it. Or you could choose to go a bit more traditional, and, you know, if you find a Christmas tree in a magazine or a brochure or a reindeer and put on like a red nose. So this is an example of like a more busy background. You could also use it as a base and stick on a piece of cardboard to give yourself a bit of a frame. You could draw in a dark pen around the sides and play with it, you know, just get creative and have fun with it. This is how I use the decorative sheet in this one. And if I thought, oh, it's a bit too busy, you know, I could have just like put on a strip like this on the left just to sort of break up the pattern, or a white strip, or this lovely very muted green, or the spotty strip, or that one, you know. So I hope that you find some things in the kit that inspire your creativity, but also use your environment and use things in your life that you know, inspire you. Another idea is to use gift wrap, you know. This is an example of overlaying 2 different cardboard pieces, either square with patterning or non-patterned or alternating on the diagonal. When you've overlaid them, you can keep it very classic, or you can break the line between them using some kind of picture or ribbon or confetti. Speaking of ribbon, here are some ideas about how to use the ribbons. So this is a horizontal card with a vertical strip of ribbon, and this is an example of a vertical card with a horizontal strip of ribbon. This is a cute corner piece of ribbon, diagonal around the corner, a bow. This is an example of using the confetti, but also of cutting out of magazines. So I've cut these green leaves out of a magazine, And as you can see, I wasn't too careful either with the shape or with the patterning. And actually, it's kind of interesting when you cut out of magazines. It really doesn't matter if the picture is not uniform. It's actually kind of more interesting when the picture doesn't really stay consistent, and you just cut through the picture for the color that you want in the shape and that you're looking for, and your eye just makes it into the implied shape. So that's kind of funny. Here I've cut snowman decals by hand, so you can see it's just a complete shape on the left and two little circles on the right, which is also something you could do. And you can orient the pattern on the circle to indicate the positioning of the ball. So that can be used to also break the line between, a boundary between two patterned areas or two colored areas. The next image is of a cutaway. So I've cut a Christmas tree shape out of the card. I've cut a wavy line on the right. You could make a curved line or a zigzag. And as you can see, it's not perfect, but it looks fine. It's a slightly diagonal line. It looks natural. And I've used a piece of confetti on the top to decorate the tree. So that's a wrap. I want to thank you. I've had a great time making these videos for you and making all the practice cards. I even, between us, already sent a few out. Anyway, I wish you much fun and enjoyment and creativity. Enjoy this festive season. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Bye bye for now.